Hey everyone. So today is a big day. It's a day I'm very, very, very happy about because we have a new tool to play with. I was hoping I'd get it in time for the next week's video, like I said in the last video, and it did. And I'm so happy. I'm so very, very happy. Let me show you. I'm sure most of you thought I was referring to this, pardon the mess, the drop saw, which I am gonna get working. I'm not just abandoning this. I do want this because I think it'll be great for cutting like geodes and stuff, but that's actually not what I'm referring to. Because my friends, we got something even better. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's a Covington 14-inch slab saw. And I am, needless to say, ecstatic with excitement. I'm so happy to have a slab saw in the shop to call my own. This is literally, I know all of you that watch this channel, most of you anyway, know about Kim's saw. This is literally the son of Drogon. It's the same thing, just a little bit smaller. And you guys, I'm so freaking excited. It's in such good shape. Oh, okay, so needless to say, we need to get this thing turned on ASAP. I already did all of the stuff that needs to be done, so it's playtime. Let's grab some rocks. So obviously there are a lot more rocks that I want to get to, and we will. There's no rush. The saw isn't going anywhere, so we will do that. But I think these are the ones we're going to start with. And I don't think we're going to get through all these in this video, but I don't know. We'll see. So we've got two super mossy agates, Montana Agates. This is kind of a mystery Montana Agate because it's got such a thick crust on the outside. I don't know what to expect on the inside. These three are strong iris potentials. These four are Bear Canyon Agates, and then this top row is just random stuff. We've got agatized wood. This is a geode from, I think, Haunted Ridge. A gift from a viewer. Thank you, Greg. We've got this very nice piece of jasper, and then 2 chunks of agatized coral from Derek the Rockmaster. So, what do we start with? Also, this one right here, this agate, I'm so excited to see what's in this thing. This is going to be a really nice agate. Let's do this one first. This is a phenomenal Bear Canyon, and I've wanted to face it since the moment I found it. So, let's load it up. All right, everyone, we've got it loaded up. Let's turn it on. All right, everyone. The first cut is done. Oh, I'm so excited. Wow, you guys. Check out that Bear Canyon agate. That is a little bit of stunning. Oh my gosh. Dang, that is such a clean cut too. Oh, that's gonna be so nice to polish. Heck yes. All right, let's grab another. Let's do this agatized coral next. I'm thinking we're just gonna cut it right in half. Just came out. Look at that agatized coral. Oh, I have it backwards. Look at that. Once I get these actually cleaned, I'm gonna dry them off, because I'm sure the botryoidals will look way better once it's clean, but oh my gosh, that is amazing. Well, I'm thoroughly impressed with this saw. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. The curiosity is getting the better of me. I really want to know what this agate looks like on the inside. It's not a huge agate, but this is a very nice Montana agate. You can just tell from the color and the pattern, it's gonna be so good, but it's also so crusty. There's really no way of knowing what's on the inside. So let's load it up, and let's load it up. Let's load it in, and I have it way backed out because I figured this was a perfect one to start cutting some slabs on, so we can actually inch it all the way out to there, which is about the middle of the rock. So we should be able to get like 3 or 4 slabs, I'm thinking. But first things first, we need to just cut that heel off. The agate is done, and it is amazing. Put this over right here. Look at that thing. That is so pretty. Again, on the outside, there's literally no way of knowing what was going to be in there. That is so gorgeous. And we got several slabs off of it, which I'm happy about. 3 slabs and a heel, which means we can get some good jewelry out of that. Just amazing. This is probably the biggest slab. But that red pocket, that is just so pretty. Wow. Alright. I am thrilled to bits with that thing. That is so nice. Well, let's get it loaded up again. Let's do another Bear Canyon. This one is solid, so I have no idea what we're gonna find in there. Well, not much to say about that one. 'Twas a dud. Let's move on. Let's try one of these iris potentials. All right, I just cut some slabs off of that one. First off, look how pretty this agate is. That is just beautiful. So many bands. The front heel was pretty little. So we got an okay little one right there. I'm gonna switch to a different setting so I can actually show you I was right. We did get some iris. It's not anything insane, but there do be some rainbows in here. Yeah, you can see some of that shimmer right in there. And then this is the biggest slab we got. That is just beautiful. You know what, this might help. Definitely some rainbow in there. Here, let me switch to a different setting and see if I can capture it a little better. Here, let's see if this helps. Yeah, there you go. See all that rainbow in there? It's not like thick rainbow irisy bands. They're really thin bands, but that's really pretty. I dig it. That's gonna be really, really, really nice with a polish. While we're on the iris agates, let's throw this one in there. This is a pretty small-ish agate. It's not exactly a big agate, but I like the patterning that I'm seeing in there. See how it's kind of just milky white? That milky white usually translates to this kind of stuff. See how vivid and bright that band is? Let's see if I can get a better angle. Really nice, thick color. So I'm hopeful, but obviously there is no rules for iris. It is very much a crapshoot. Sometimes the ones that look the best have nothing, and ones you'd never expect have amazing color. You know what? I'm gonna stop this one right here. Got one slab. I was gonna get more slabs, but I am seeing no iris signs whatsoever. Like I said, sometimes they look great and they have nothing. So I'm gonna just not waste any more time cutting more slabs off of that, and let's just load in another rock. And I think while we're doing this, while we're searching for iris, might as well load in this one. See what we get. This is such a cool agate. Even if this doesn't have any iris, I'm still gonna just be thrilled with it because this is just such a weird, unique agate. Has very strong signs of iris, but either way, I have a feeling this thing is gonna be beautiful regardless of rainbows or not. I'm happy to say that I was correct. This is an amazing agate. Before I show any slabs, I mean, just look at that. That thing is stunning. Where's my flashlight? There's my flashlight. Look at that agate. That is a little bit beautiful. There's so much mossy, just good stuff going on in here. And bands and a quartz pocket. This is beautiful. I love that. But it gets better because this is, in fact, an iris agate. It's probably not going to show very well, unfortunately, until it's polished, which I definitely don't have time to do today. But you see that kind of milky pocket right below the quartz pocket? That is iris. It's not polished, so it's not showing super well right now, but that is a really nice band of rainbow that goes all the way around the quartz pocket. That is going to be fan-freaking-tastic, and we got one big slab and a bunch of little ones. This one was right on that quartz, so it kind of popped apart on me, but even that one is just apparently not going to show on camera. Anyway, I'd call that a success. Well, we probably have time today for 2 more, so we're going to do this, which is a Missouri Geode, I do believe. Pretty sure it's a Geode. It was given to me by a viewer. Again, thank you, Greg. And he gave it to me along with other Haunted Ridge stuff. So I'm assuming it's a Geode. But, you know, there's only one way to find out, and that's throwing it in a saw, cutting it and stuff. Well, that one cut super quick. You could tell it was trying to be a geode. I think maybe there might be a little hollow deeper in there, but it is not a geode. Really pretty though, regardless. Well, I think I'm running out of time. So we have two more that I want to get to. One of which is a nice big agate, and the other one is a piece of petrified wood that I already loaded. Forgot to show you first. I guess it's agatized wood. So let's cut it. See, it's right here. I loaded it in already. It is so nice though. Might be palm wood, because it has a really agatey porous texture. Anyway, I get it. Anyway, it'll be a good surprise, because I forgot to show you first. My gosh, you guys, I'm not showing you yet, but I had to like interrupt just really quick to come tell you that this is like one of the coolest pieces of petrified wood I've ever seen, for reals. I'm cutting another slab. Okay, this is insane. So right off the bat, just with that first cut, that heel, I knew we were about to have something special. This is crazy. Look at these slabs, you guys. That's insane. Look at all the agate pockets in there. Does it shine through? Yes. Oh my gosh. This is petrified wood. Well, more specifically, this is agatized wood. But if you look at the outside, here's the cutoff. I mean, look at that. Oh, it's so freaking cool. But yeah, you can just tell. It just kind of looks like a typical piece of petrified wood on the outside. But that end grain, I knew we were going to have something cool with that end grain. Saw those little agate pockets, and I'm like, yep, that's going to be awesome. And I was right. That thing is amazing. I love it very much and stuff. Well, I think we have time for one more rock. If not, if we have time for another one, I'll do another one. But I think we're going to have to end with this nice agate. It has so much good stuff in there. Sorry, I'm having a flashlight. It's got such nice mossy banded goodness in there, but again, just like that other one, the crust is just so thick. There's not really any way of knowing what's in there. So let's load it up and find out. I already cut one heel off. This will be the first slab, and I'm really excited because that heel was incredible. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh heck yeah. Wow! Look at how mossy that Montana Agate is. Wow, it's like blue. That is beautiful. Alright, well, I'm happy with that. So we got two slabs, a heel, and then a cutoff piece, and this thing is amazing. Look how blue it is. Oh my gosh, that is just stunning. I love it. I love it so much. That is going to make some very, very pretty cabochons. Here's that other slab that we just cut. That is so pretty. Alright, well, I'm happy. And I'm looking at the clock. We actually have time for one more. So, let's cut this mystery agate. I legitimately have no idea what to expect from this agate, so we might be pleasantly surprised, or it might be a lackluster note to end on. Let's find out. All right, guys, the saw just finished. I'm covering that. I saw something so confusing that I had to cut two more slabs off of it. So let me pull that out and I'll show you. We cut off our heel, and I was, not gonna lie, I was a little disappointed. I mean, it's got a cool crystal pocket. Pretty cool crystal pocket. That actually stretches through quite a way. But, here, let me get it wet. Sorry, one sec. Already cleaned the oil off. But, like, it has some nice features, but not really. It's kind of more of a milk agate. It does have banding, and it does have nice root beer colored pockets. But see how fractured it is? So I was like, man, that sucks. Yeah. Then I put a light behind it. This one's not showing as much, so I saw a little something that made me curious. So I cut a slab off, and sure enough, my suspicion was correct. This Montana Agate is freaking purple. Look at that! That's a purple banded Montana Agate. Are you serious? That is so much cooler than I was hoping for. Look how purple it is. Oh my gosh, that is just amazing. I've never seen that in a Montana agate before. That color is phenomenal. And on the outside, it really didn't look like much at all. So, just so that purple can be viewed a little better, I might slab the rest of this at a later date. Because even with a polish, I don't think, I mean, it's kind of showing, but not as much as when a light shines through it. That is so freaking cool. Alright, well, considering how rare purple in Montana agates is, I think that is absolutely a good agate to end the day on. Man, that's so pretty. I'd say that's not a bad looking pile for the first romp with the new equipment. Wow, okay, I'm so happy, you guys. This is ridiculous. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it for this one. I am so freaking excited and happy and all those other positive words. This is legitimately like probably my most wanted tool since the day I got into rocks. So having it sitting here in my shop, being able to call it mine, is so amazing. And the rocks we got through today, they're so nice. I'm so happy. Funny thing is, I just walked over and grabbed some random rocks because I figured we'd start small so I can get used to the machine before we dive into bigger stuff. But man, there wasn't, well, okay, never mind. I was about to say there wasn't a dud in the lot, but this one was definitely a dud. Now the reason I'm so freaking excited is because we can actually cut rocks after hunts come spring and summer. So we can go out, find stuff on the river, and then come back and cut one of them open in every video if I feel so inclined, which is awesome. So needless to say, look forward to some more slabbing coming very, very soon. We have a lot of rocks that we have been holding on to in, while waiting for a way to cut them. Let me know which one was your favorite. Mine has to be purple, just because purple is so rare in Montana agates. Close second would be that petrified wood. I'll have links to various stuff in the description, including my other channel. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this one. Hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you next time.